Hi, welcome to Educator.com. In today's lesson, we're going to be wrapping up how to set up the files in the Cartweaver and Dreamweaver. We're going to basically just wrap it all up, go back into the content management system, and then I'm going to be listing out the appropriate sizes that you'll be using. So in this, the learning objectives, we're going to just go over specific sizes. I'll basically go back over again where the root folders are, where they're located, and where you need to put them to find them a little bit easier. We'll log back into the content management system, add about a couple more images, and then we'll refresh it in the browser, see what it looks like, and then finally just I'll give you all the appropriate sizes that you'll need to actually know to set up each file. Okay. So here I put together just a list of sizes and what the appropriate what they call them in Cartweaver. So each folder that you will have will pretty much be the expanded sizes. And giving you all the pixel dimensions, and then where they're actually located into the directory of your files. So let's go right into this here, the browser. We're into looking at all the products right now. So last time when we went through, we put some things in, and I added one more here, and we're going to go back through it again to kind of refresh you a little bit more on how to put the last of the images in. So you're going to have to log back into your content management system, and once you log in, remember it was defaulted by admin, and then you always want to remember to change that when you actually go live. You don't want anyone to actually know that password, as I expressed before. Now we're going to go ahead and add the new products. We actually have our active products here. I'm going to put another one in here. And I'm just going to give it some information. It should look all pretty much familiar. Boy 2. And remember to select the category so that the database knows that which one when we actually hit the boys apparel, it'll sort it. Here we'll hit the next button. And let's put in something very generic. Just remember to put it a long and a short. Here is where we're going to put it in, and I'm just going to go through the thumbnail portion. It's all relatively the same, but we're going to go to here. Actually, we'll go to this one right here. Select the image, image set. So we're going to close this window up here, and we're going to finish up Now we still got to give it the information for the SKU of your store. Make sure it says yes, and then give it a price point. Let's say $3 here. Remember, you can set your appropriate stock to set what you have. Go ahead and hit add SKU, a new SKU, and then go ahead and make sure remember to hit update product. If you don't, it's not going to update to the actual database, and you won't see it. So they click it, it should be there. So let's go back and refresh and see what this looks like. So if I hit boys apparel, so I actually have it right here. Definitely want to give it a better description, but you want to go ahead and put all your information and upload it. So that's the appropriate size. What we want to also do is go back into the files and actually show you where they're located again. I know I did it once before, but I am going to do it again just to refresh your memory on this. So as you go back into Dreamweaver, we set up the directory here into the store and in the CW3 file. Remember, it's just short for Cartweaver 3. And we went into the, let me close this up here. You go into the assets here, and this is where you're going to have all these files. So this is where I took the names from, and I kept them the same, so it'll be a little bit easier to find in your directory. And so if you go here and you look, that's kind of what I did here. Gave you the store folder, CW3 assets, and then I gave you the folder. So in case you don't know what those mean, that's the directory that you'll follow. And in each folder here, I put in the different sizes that I went and resized in Photoshop. So whatever photo editor you actually have, you can use it. It's the same thing. You're just changing sizes so that it shows appropriately when the user clicks on an actual image. Okay, and that's all I really did. One thing you want to do is just leave the actual default here. This one is called products_expanded.gif. So just leave that there, because that's your when you don't have an image, it puts that default image in there for you. No image available. So just keep that. Don't need to remove that one. Definitely want to use that one in case you don't have an image at the time. And that's pretty much really the wrap up of it, and just understanding that there is you can definitely change the sizes to anything you want. These are just suggested sizes that I used when I pulled up the Cartweaver sample files. I pulled up their default images, and then I looked at the sizes they used, and then that's just what I kept it. So I kept the pixel aspect ratio appropriate, so that when I just changed it here, it just automatically gave it the other pixel dimension to keep it proportion. Okay, and that's pretty much the wrap up of setting up the files. But to remember, you can add as many as you want. Change all the files ahead of time so that you're just selecting, and always remember to update the products, and you'll have your database, which will be able to show here and see all your products. So again, we have basically the 4 images that we edited in two boys and 2 girls apparel. Again, thank you for watching Educator.com.